Hi everyone, it's James again. I bought this adapter. It comes with a cap, and this is for my whirly twirly water hose. This is the faucet nozzle. Its diameter is 16 millimeters. I had trouble connecting my new water hose to it. Water was leaking from it, so I had to buy this adapter. Hopefully it works. And it shows how to do it properly. Yep. Okay. Here we go. Oh, just like that. That was pretty easy. Okay, it better work. Looks good. Come on. Before the mosquitoes get me. It's holding. More pressure. Oh, it's holding. I bought the right size. Oh, it works beautifully. It works beautifully. All right, so that's how to do it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. It works. This adapter from Takagi, a Japanese company. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.